Hi, and welcome to another episode of the CM Valiant build. First things first, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, being the 9th of May 2021. Alright, let's look under this bonnet, see what I've done to this Hemi 265. I've put a fuel pump in, the alternator. Mopa, no car. Alright. Alright, let's get this car started. Oh, what? No barrel. Why does everybody take the barrels? Well, the previous owner put this key there. I got power. The clock still works, ticking away there. Alright, let's turn this thing over. Nothing. Nothing at all. Alright, I think it's the starter. Let's get this thing built quickly. Alright, we've got to take those two bolts off. Alright, so the starter motor's all put back together, all cleaned up, all greased up. Looking sweet. All right, let's put this thing back into the engine and see if we can get it started. All right. So I tested that key ignition and there was no power going to it, so I actually bypassed everything and I put my own switch to the starter. So hopefully this works and I can try to see if it's got compression or if the engine actually turns over. So let's give it a whirl, let's give it a test. All right, stay tuned. Let's get this thing turned. All right, it's the end of the episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and share with your friends. Hopefully by next episode we can get everything going and running. Catch ya!
Why is that working? Why is that working?